Hello, my name is Fiona, and I am a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Elementary Education Content Knowledge Test 5018? This is a multi-subject exam. These problems will cover the subtopic of physical science. Let's review some of the types of questions you may encounter on the exam. Let's jump right in. Problem number 1. Use Newton's second law to calculate the force of a 150-gram mass moving at 12 meters per second squared. Let's jump right in. Force equals mass times acceleration equals 150 grams times 12 meters per second squared. The problem is mass has to be calculated in kilograms. So we need to convert this to kilograms. So we move the decimal place 3 places, 1, 2, 3. So we now have 0.15 kilograms times 12 meters per second squared. And that is equal to 1.8 newtons. And that's our answer. Problem number 2. Which of the following makes a high pitch sound? So pitch is frequency, and that is measured in hertz. Volume is loud or soft, and that is measured in decibels. So high amplitude is a loud noise, therefore it is measured in decibels and is not to do with pitch or frequency, so that is not the correct answer. And for similar reasons, low volume is not the correct answer either because it's also calculated in decibels. Now we have low frequency, and low frequency is low pitch, so that is not the answer either. Short wavelength. Wavelength is inversely proportional to frequency. So short wavelength means high frequency, which is high pitch, and therefore short wavelength is the correct answer. Problem number 3. Which of the following elements belongs to the alkali metals? So let's look at each. Y is yttrium, and it is a transitional metal. So that's not the correct answer. I'm going to skip sodium and go right to magnesium. Magnesium, and this is an alkaline metal. So that is not the correct answer. This one is titanium, and it is a transition metal. So that is not the correct answer. Sodium is, in fact, an alkali metal, and that is the correct answer. Problem number 4. An object has a mass of 25 kilograms. What is its weight if the acceleration due to gravity on Earth is 9.8 meters per second squared? So now we have force equals mass times gravity. So that equals 25, and we're already in kilograms, times 9.8 meters per second squared, and that is equal to 245 newtons. And there's our answer. I hope I was able to answer your questions so that you now have a better understanding of the types of physical science questions you can expect to find on the exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.